Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the optical drive, if installed, base enclosure, and USB board. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the wireless antenna and subwoofer cables for later replacement. Remove the tape that secures the subwoofer cable to the system board. Disconnect the subwoofer cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the wireless antenna cables from the routing channel on the fan. Remove the subwoofer cable from the routing channel on the fan. Peel back the mylar shielding that partially covers the fan. Remove the two 4mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the fan to the top cover. Lift the fan off of the alignment pins on the top cover and disconnect the fan cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the fan. Replacement. Connect the fan cable into its connector on the system board. Place the fan onto the alignment pins on the top cover. Replace the two 4mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the fan to the top cover. Replace the mylar shielding that partially covers the fan. Route the subwoofer cable through the routing channel on the fan. Route the wireless antenna cables through the routing channel on the subwoofer and fan. Connect the subwoofer cable into its connector on the system board. Replace the tape that secures the subwoofer cable to the system board.